Do you have a chronic cough? Is your cough affecting you or a loved one? A clinical research study is currently evaluating an investigation drug for its safety and effectiveness in the treatment of chronic cough. If you're at least 18 years old, currently a non-smoker, and have had chronic cough for more than 1 year, you may qualify for a local research study. Qualified participants may receive all study-related medical care at no charge, as well as compensation for time and travel. For more information, text COUGH to 44332.